Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Alexa stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I've already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the third chain from your hook. Into the next chain, make a double crochet. And then make 1 chain. Into the next chain, make a single crochet. Make a double crochet into the next chain. And then make 1 chain. So now we're going to start repeating this. 1 single crochet into the next chain, then a double crochet into the next chain, and then make a chain until you reach the end of your row. When you get to the end of your row and you have 1 chain left, work 1 single crochet into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. We're now going to start our sequence. Make 1 chain to skip 2 stitches. And then into this next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Same thing, make 1 chain to skip 2 stitches, and into the next chain 1 space, make a single crochet. Make a chain to skip 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet into the next chain 1 space. You're now going to start repeating this sequence for the rest of this row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to use your last chain to skip over these last 2 stitches and then make a single crochet into these chains at the end of your row to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. You're going to skip the first stitch of our row. And into this next chain space, we're going to be making the sequence from our first row. Make a single crochet, double crochet, and then a chain, all into that chain space. Now you're going to skip the next stitch, and into this next chain space, same thing, single crochet, double crochet, and a chain. And now you're going to start repeating this until you reach the last stitch of your row. When you reach the last stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet into that last stitch to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Alexa stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.